Okay, welcome to my channel Maths with Mahanti sir. Children, today let us discuss a few important questions on trigonometry which are very important from the examination point of view, that is which are mostly coming in the class 10 CBSE board examination. Okay, so let me discuss the first question. Suppose you are given cosec theta, you see cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta, sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta, tan theta plus cot theta. So what will be the value? Let us evaluate this trigonometric expression. Cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. How to evaluate, how to find the value of this trigonometric expression? See, so the easy procedure will be, you see, cosec theta, you know, it is the reciprocal of sin theta. So in place of cosec theta, we can write 1 by sin theta. So this is minus sin theta. Let this sin theta be kept constant. Similarly, sec theta is here. It is the reciprocal of cos theta. So it is sec theta will be 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, let it be constant. Now see, this tan theta, you express it in terms of sin and cos. So tan theta when expressed in sin and cos, it is equal to sin theta by cos theta. The formula for tan theta in terms of sin and cos is sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So it will be cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Now what will be our next step? The next step will be you take the LCM. If you take the LCM, it will be 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta into, again you take the LCM in this bracket, it will be 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta, and again you take LCM here, it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta by the LCM will be cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Now, what will be the next step? You see, this 1 minus sin square theta, its formula is what? Its formula is cos square theta. So, write here cos square theta. So, cos square theta by sin theta into 1 minus cos square theta is your sin square theta. So, sin square theta by cos theta. You know what is the formula for sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is an identity. Its value is 1. Okay. So, this is cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Now, you see cos and cos. Cos square theta, it will be cancelled. It will be cos theta. Sin theta and sin square theta will be cancelled. It will be sin theta. So, cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta sin theta, it will be equal to 1. Okay. So, the value of this expression will be equal to 1. Okay. Now, let me discuss some more questions. See, the second question, suppose you are given x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta. You see, so if x is a cos theta and y is b sin theta, so what will be the value of b square x square plus a square y square? You see. So what will be the value of this expression b square x square plus a square y square if x is a cos theta and y is b cos theta? So how to find? It is very simple, children, you see. So first you write b square x square plus a square y square. Okay. Now you already know the value of x, just substitute here. So this will be b square into, what is the value of x? A cos theta, it is a cos theta whole square plus a square into y square. What is the value of y? B sin theta. So it will be b sin theta whole square. Okay. Now find its value. This will be b square. This will be a square cos square theta, and this will be a square b square sin square theta. Now a square b square is multiplied here by cos square theta, and it is also multiplied to sin square theta. So we can take a square b square common. So you take common a square b square. Now if you take common, it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta. And the value of this expression is 1. So a square b square into 1 will be equal to a square b square. So see. So if x is a cos theta, if x is a cos theta and y is b sin theta, then the value of b square x square plus a square y square will be equal to a square b square. Okay. So in this manner you will solve. Now let us discuss some more questions. Then I hope whatever these two questions which I explained, you must have understood. Okay. Now let me discuss some more important questions. So what is next question? See, what is the next question? The next question is question number 3. Suppose the next question is you are given to evaluate, to find the value of C. Suppose you are given cot theta divided by cot theta minus cot 3 theta. You see, cot 3 theta. 3 theta itself is an angle. Like theta is an angle, 3 theta is also an angle. Okay. So find the value of cot theta by cot theta minus cot 3 theta plus tan theta by tan theta minus tan 3 theta. How to find the value of this? Cot theta by cot theta minus cot 3 theta plus tan theta by tan theta minus tan 3 theta. How to find? Now to find its value, what will be the value? Evaluate. To find its value, what we will do? Let us take the LCM. See, the LCM will be your cot theta minus cot 3 theta into tan theta minus tan 3 theta. Okay. Now, then after taking LCM, what we will do? We will divide the LCM by this, and whatever is obtained will be multiplied by cot theta numerator. So it will be cot theta into tan theta minus tan 3 theta plus tan theta. Let us divide the LCM by this denominator. So this and this term will be cancelled, this will be left, and this term will be multiplied by tan theta. So it will be tan theta into pure cot theta minus cot 3 theta. Okay. Now let us multiply. Let us multiply the numerator. It is cot theta into tan theta minus cot theta into tan 3 theta plus tan theta into cot theta minus tan theta into cot 3 theta. Okay. Then multiply the denominator also, and let us see what is obtained on multiplying the denominator. Okay. So it will be cot theta into tan theta. You know multiplication, so you multiply. So minus cot theta into tan 3 theta. Then minus cot 3 theta into tan theta. Then your minus plus, it will be cot 3 theta into tan 3 theta. Cot 3 theta into tan 3 theta. Okay. Now the product of cot theta and tan theta. What is the product of cot theta and tan theta? It will be 1, because cot and tan are reciprocal of each other, and if two trigonometric ratios are reciprocal of each other, then their product must be 1. You know the formula. So in place of this you write 1 and minus cot theta into tan 3 theta plus, again you see tan theta into cot theta, it is again 1. So minus tan theta into cot 3 theta divided by, you see, again cot theta into tan theta, it is 1 minus cot theta into tan 3 theta minus cot 3 theta into tan theta plus, here cot 3 theta into tan 3 theta, it will be 1 because they are reciprocal of each other. So it is 1. See, now 1 and 1 are like terms, so it will be 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus cot theta into tan 3 theta minus tan theta into cot 3 theta whole divided by again 1 plus 1. These are like terms. So 1 plus 1 is 2 minus cot theta into tan 3 theta minus cot 3 theta into tan theta. Now look at the numerator and denominator. Look at the numerator and denominator. They are same. So their ratio will be equal to 1. So the value of this trigonometric expression will be equal to 1. So in this way you have to solve. You have to solve and find the answer. Then only it is possible. Okay. We cannot simply guess and tick. If at all this is an MCQ type question, we cannot simply guess and tick. We have to solve and find the answer. Then only we have to tick. And if it is a 2 mark or 3 mark question, then you have to do it like this. Okay, in this process. Now, let me discuss another important question. See, what is the next question? The next question is, suppose you are given a trigonometric expression like suppose 2 into sine 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus 3 into sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. So what will be the value of this trigonometric expression? How to evaluate, how to find the value of this type of trigonometric expression? What is the simple way? What is the simple process of finding the value of trigonometric expression like this? You see, because there is no direct formula. To evaluate the value of this type of expression, there is no direct formula. We will use indirect method to find the value of this type of trigonometric expression. So what are those indirect steps? Let me discuss. See, in this question, there is no formula for sine 6 theta plus cos 6 theta. So far as our trigonometry is concerned, as per class 10 CBSE, NCERT syllabus, there is no direct formula for this. But you see, now this sine 6 theta, we can write sine square theta whole cube. You see, sine 6 theta can be written as sine square theta whole cube. Similarly, cos 6 theta can be written as cos square theta whole cube. Now see, by doing so what will happen? Now if this term is taken as A and if this term is taken as B, then this will become, this is of the form A cube plus B cube, and we know the formula, the identity A cube. What is the formula for the identity A cube plus B cube? We know. So by reducing this expression in the form of A cube plus B cube, it is possible to evaluate such type of trigonometric expression. See, now this expression which is there in the bracket can be written as sine square theta square plus cos square theta square. Okay. Now take this one A, take this one B, it is A cube plus B cube. Take this one A and take this one B, it is A square plus B square. So we know for the formula for A square plus B square as well as the formula for A cube plus B cube. Let us apply. So A cube plus B cube, what is the formula? It is A plus B whole cube. You see, the formula is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB. A means your sine square theta into cos square theta. 3AB into A plus B, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. So this will be the expansion of this sine square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Similarly, minus 3 into, you see, this A square plus B square, the formula is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. So it is sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2AB, 2 sine square theta into cos square theta. Okay. Now this will be 2. What is the formula? What is its value? It is 1 cube minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. Okay. Because its value is 1 also, 3 sine square theta cos square theta, and in place of this if you put 1, so this will be simply 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Again minus 3, this is 1 square, you see, minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, so this will be 2 into 1 minus, you see, 2 into 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Now let us find out. Let us multiply. This is 2. 2 minus 3 is 6. 6 sin square theta cos square theta. Then minus 3. It is plus. 3 2 is 6. 6 sin square theta cos square theta. Now see. Minus 6 sin square theta plus 6 sin square theta. It is cancelled. So 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is your minus 1. So the value of this trigonometric expression will be what? It will be minus 1. Okay, in this way you can evaluate. Okay, so children, I hope whatever I discussed you understood. Okay, now we will discuss another question. Let us see. Suppose you are given a question like this. These are very important from the examination point of view. Hence, you must understand and practice all these questions. Okay, so let me discuss another one. Suppose you see, suppose you are given a cos theta, you see, a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to 4 and a sin theta minus b cos theta equal to 3, suppose. So if you are given these two, what will be the value of a square plus b square? Let us find the value of a square plus b square. Yes. So how to solve, how to find the value of a square plus b square in this particular question? Let us see. Now see children, in order to find the value of a square plus b square, first we have to find the values of a and b. Then only it is possible to find the value of a square plus b square. Now how to get a plus b? The simple way, you know, linear equation in two variables, simultaneous linear equation in two variables, that your elimination method. If we can apply the elimination method in this particular question, these are two equations, apply elimination method to find the values of a and b. Then you can easily evaluate what will be the value of a square plus b square. Now let us apply elimination method. See, what is elimination method? Suppose we want to eliminate b first. Look at here b sin theta, here b cos theta, plus and minus. So what we will do? Multiply equation 1 by a and equation 2 by your b. Okay. Multiply equation 1 by cos theta and multiply equation 2 by sin theta. So what will happen? See. Equation 1 will become a cos square theta plus b sin theta into cos theta equal to 4 cos theta. See. So by multiplying cos theta to equation 1, this will be obtained. Similarly, if you multiply sin theta to equation 2, what you will get? You will get a sin theta into sin theta. It is sin square theta minus b cos theta sin theta. b cos theta sin theta equal to 3 sin theta. See. Now this is what your elimination method is. Elimination by equating coefficients. Okay. What we read in the chapter simultaneous linear equation. Okay. A pair of linear equation in two variables. How to solve? See. Now on addition, this term and this term cancel. If you add these two, a cos square theta plus a sin square theta, a will be taken common. So this will become a into sin square theta plus cos square theta. This will be 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta. Now this value is 1. So a equal to 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta. Okay, now see, by eliminating b, we got the value of a. In a similar manner, you can eliminate a to get the value of b. Similarly, you find the value of b. Similarly, if you eliminate a, you will get the value of b. Like I eliminated you see, like I eliminated b from equation 1 and 2 and I got the value of a. In a similar manner, you eliminate a to get the value of b. So, in a similar manner, if you eliminate, you will get b equal to, you see, b will be equal to 4 sin theta. Similarly, 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. How will you eliminate? See, here it is a cos theta, here it is a sin theta. You want to eliminate a, just multiply here sin theta. Multiply in equation 1 sin theta and multiply in equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by sin theta and multiply equation 2 by what? Cos theta. So that a will be eliminated and you will get b equal to 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay. So, therefore, a square plus b square will be equal to 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta your whole square plus 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square. You know the formula, it is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. You know the formula for a plus b whole square as well as a minus b whole square. So apply the formula. If you apply formula, it will be 16 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta plus 24 cos theta sin theta plus 16 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta minus 24 cos theta sin theta. Now this term cancel. 16 cos square theta plus 9 cos square theta. It will be 25 cos square theta, 9 sin square theta plus 16 sin square theta. It will be 25 sin square theta. So you take common 25. It is cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this will be 25 into 1, that is 25. Okay. So the value of, that means a square plus b square will be equal to 25 if a cos theta plus b sin theta is 4 and a sin theta minus b cos theta is 3. So children, I hope whatever I discussed in this lesson, in this class, whatever problems I discussed on trigonometry, you must have understood. Okay. If at all it is true, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. We are going to discuss more questions in the next class. Okay. Thank you.